Hi guys, Nick Mower today from Exmark Supply Company to have for you an Exmark Lazer Z. This is going to be a LZ 27KC 604. It is a 2007 year model machine, Kohler Command Pro 27 horse V-twin gas engine. The thing has been fully serviced. It has excellent blades on it. It has a striper kit, ultra 60-inch cut. The deck is not busted or welded up. Has the roll bar, has a good seat. OEM original seat. The unit runs and mows good. We've mowed with it here for a couple weeks now. Works excellent. We'll show you here. We'll start right here underneath the deck pulley plate. It does have the easy up deck, so you can put your foot on there. Belts and pulleys are all in good shape. No noises or anything we have found. Little compartment does have here a right and left tank. Again, easy up deck. Gauge wheels are excellent, nothing to smash. Again, striper wheel kit. We did end up putting a new fuel gauge in from Exmark. This one was not working correct, and we went ahead and put it in. Kohler Command, again, 27 horse, starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that. It is all original paint. 1124 hours. Suspension seat. The deck covers are all good, nothing there is bad, and again, the deck is not welded or busted. I'm going to fire it up, we're going to run it around here, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Park brake works. Well, guys, right there, that thing mows 100% excellent. It's a very good running, working mower. Now I have it all messed up, dirty. You can see there, it's a longer video than I really ever do for zero-turn mowers, but that thing actually, it handles excellent. Cuts very nice. You see what I just did there, that striper kit. It makes nice, you stand back here at the camera, you'll see it stripes the yard. Does a nice job. Very, very nice running, working mower. The only thing I noticed, this one armrest here is hanging down a little more than it should, but other than that, the thing really runs, works good. If you're looking for a good used Exmark that is in good shape, also has a brand new battery in it, let us know. Glad to help you. 814-658-3066. Thank you very much. Always checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.